In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your app to others in Base44. Whether you've just finished building an app or you're collaborating with a team, knowing how to share your work is essential. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple steps to give other people access to your app, either by email invitation or by sending them a live link. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you're in the workspace where your app or project is located. On your main dashboard, look for the list of projects or apps you've created. Go ahead and select the app that you want to share. Clicking on it will open the app editor or workspace view, where you can see your app's structure, data, or pages. It's important to double check that you've opened the correct app, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once your app is open, shift your attention to the top right area of the screen. Here, you should see a share icon, usually represented by an arrow or a similar sharing symbol. Click on the share icon. This will open a sharing panel or pop-up where you can control who has access to your app and how they can view or interact with it. In this sharing panel, you'll see a field where you can type in an email address. Use this if you want to invite specific people directly. Carefully type the email of the person you want to share the app with. It's a good idea to double check for any typos so the invitation doesn't bounce or go to the wrong person. Once you've entered the correct address, click on the invite button. Base44 will then send an invitation email, and the recipient will be able to access the app using the link in that message, according to the permissions you've set in your workspace or project settings. If you prefer a more flexible option, or you want to share the app with multiple people quickly, look for the button labeled Copy Live Link in the same sharing panel. Click on Copy Live Link, and Base44 will copy a direct access link to your clipboard. You can then paste this link into a chat, a document, or an email to share it with others. This method is handy when you don't want to type in each email individually. And that's it. By opening your